clear. Action is urgent. Carbon emissions are at record highs. Extreme weather is worsening everywhere. Our sustainable development goals are seriously off track, and limiting global temperature rise to less than 1.5 degrees Celsius almost out of reach. We must do something, and do it now. At COP28 in Dubai, the world will come together to advance the solutions towards ensuring a livable planet for current and future generations. I will be there too, as the UN Desert will host the SDG Pavilion. Here we will look at the several important issues, including the impact of the climate crisis on small island developing states, ways to speed up our sustainable energy transition, and the new ideas about financing climate action. The pavilion will focus on real, meaningful climate action. First, we need to push for a faster transition to renewable energy sources. Second, we need to secure the climate financing, invested in alternative sources of energy, and end our reliance on fossil fuels. And third, we need to better align the Sustainable Development Goals and climate action. If you are attending COP28, be sure to join me and the UN Desert team in our SDG Pavilion. We'll have events there every day, showing how action for global goals can help the climate change too. Follow our events online and be part of our efforts to build a better future. Let us act now.